to make a menu in Polish. So first you have to go to Word. Word right here. Now you have to search and put menu. Yeah, finally. Okay, so let's search it. So we have got lots of options. For now we are going to be using which one we would be using? Yes, this one. So now you have to press on create. Here just put in the date. So out for it's right now 10/June/2021. Now here is a menu. Now let's write edit. So now first we have to go to Google. So type in translate. What should we translate? English to Polish. Now we have it. Now here we are going to be typing in appetizers. APPTIZERS. So if I made it wrong, I'll just click here and now I have it. Now this is for the Polish. So now I'm just going to copy and now I'm going to paste it. Or let me I'm going to do some changes. Just a Control Z for undoing and make it. So let's just see it from here. PRZYS. PRZYS. Actually, I think so it's okay like that. I don't know, I have lots of options. Task key. Here we are going to be putting in juices. JUICES on our choices. So I'll just copy and paste it. And then you can do the same in everything else. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.